welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a super exciting video. We have another fashion unboxing, except this time we have 3 different boxes to compare to. So we are doing Drape Fit, Stitch Fix, and Wantable. So we have another no makeup day to heal my skin. And we're gonna go ahead and just dive into all these boxes. Might as well just start at the top here. So this is Drape Fit, just like Stitch Fix and Wantable. It is $20 per box. And if you buy anything, you do get that credited back to you. I have a link down below that will get you your first box for free, and then you will get your $20 credit. Had some not so fantastic experiences with Drape Fit so far, so let's hope that this one is a little bit better. I did give every single box the exact same description of what I was looking for. Hopefully it's printed on one of these because I don't remember exactly what I said. But let's go ahead and dive in. So first thing I'm seeing on here is a very soft, very pretty purple color. And this looks to just be a long sleeve V-neck maybe? Yeah, a V-neck. Super soft. I really like how it drapes, really like how it feels. So that is cool. Then I'm seeing some earrings in here. These are not really my style, and I don't wear silver jewelry. So this is not something that I'm going to use or keep, but that's okay. What the heck is this? Okay. It's a tank top in a sweatshirt. Okay. I don't even have any words for that. All right, then we have a pair of jeans. These are from 1822. These are in a size 8. Maybe. I have no idea what size I am. Never heard of this brand before, but they are some flare jeans, which I really like. And I like the wash of these a lot. So that's cool. And then we have, oh, this is cute. It's like a little linen dress. Okay. I have to say the quality does not feel very good. And it looks to be see-through. It's pretty see-through. But we'll try it on. All right, so that is Drape Fit. Next, I'm gonna go to my Stitch Fix. This is my bundle here. Looks like we have a little stack of clothes here. And then shoes, maybe? Oh yeah, these are shoes. This is what these shoes look like. They are some like platform espadrille wedges. They're kind of in like a pinkish nude color. Yeah, I mean, these look pretty cute. Interested to see how comfortable they are, but so far I like them. Then we have this shirt. Okay, this is cute. So it's like a green kind of, I don't know what the sleeve is called, puff sleeve of some kind. It's pretty see-through on the back here, but when it's a print, it's not as big of a deal. But then in the front, it is double lined. So that's pretty nice. That could be cute. Then we have this dress, maybe? Yeah, this is a dress. Okay, this is kind of cute. I'm not the biggest fan of red on me. But I'm interested to see how this fits because it actually looks pretty cute. I like the floral pattern. Ooh, this is cute too. This is a like green floral. What is this? Pantsuit? Yeah, it's a little jumpsuit. Okay, interesting. Not the biggest fan of jumpsuits on my body right now, but they can be kind of cute. So interested to try that. Has a little tie waist here. And then lastly, we have a pair of, 1822. Is that also what we got? Okay, so we got a pair of 1822 denim in our Drape Fit and then also in our Stitch Fix. And these were also sent to me in an 829. So I'm guessing that is my size. Oh no. Okay. Well, the bottom of these have this like weird cuff. I honestly don't like that. I do really like the wash of these. I don't know. Okay, we'll see, but so far we got some good options. And lastly, Wantable. Wantable does have the upper hand here because I've been working with them for the longest, so they have more of my feedback. This is my Wantable stack. First thing, we have some jewelry here. Ooh, these are really pretty. Okay, so these are some gold hoops. Okay, so they're kind of like a hoop, but then they have like a little moon shape to them. These are really, really pretty. Okay. I like these. Okay, those are contenders. Then we have, is this a blazer? A jacket? I'm not really sure. This is kind of like a oversized, thick, trenchy cardigan. Very thick, very cozy. I like how soft it is. Don't love the color. And I don't know what that would be for, but I like it. Okay, then we have a just V-neck puff sleeve, and the sleeves have some little like polka dots on them. Not my favorite, not my least favorite. We'll see how it fits. Ooh, this is soft. Okay, this, oh, what? Okay, this is like a ruched sleeve t-shirt. It's soft, but I don't really like the sleeves. Okay, this is cute. This is just like a nice green blouse. I don't love the knotted detail on the bottom, but we'll see what it looks like on. And then we have a pair of Vegas jeans. Oh, we actually have two pairs of jeans. So the Vegas ones are the crop straight. They sent these to me in a 28. I don't love crop jeans, so we'll see how they fit, but I do have a pair of Vegas jeans that I got from Wantable, and I wear them all the time. Then we also have the cut from the cloth Juliet. They got these for me in a size 6, and these have a cuff. Yeah, so that's everything in all 3 boxes. Let's go ahead and try everything on. All right, so starting with Drape Fit, I decided to try on this shirt because I hate it, and I know I'm not gonna get it. What is this? Like, is this a stylish thing for people to wear? Like, am I missing this trend of built-in tank top with off-the-shoulder sweatshirt? I don't know. And then I have these jeans on. These jeans do not feel nice quality at all. They also are not really doing anything for me. Yeah, these are both a no, and that's just the way it is. Right, then I have this purple shirt, just kept on the same jeans. I think I actually have a shirt from this brand, and I do really like it. The fabric is so soft. I really do like this color. I'm a little confused because it's spring, so I feel like this is just not really a spring color, but I mean, I'd probably wear it anyways. It's definitely soft, so I think this is something that I would consider buying. Not my favorite thing in the world, but it's comfortable, so that's a win. All right, then we have what I thought was a dress, but is actually a romper. And this is from Calvin Klein, which I'm kind of surprised about. I appreciate the length of these shorts. I feel like they're appropriate. You know, this is something. Let's move on to Stitch Fix. All right, then I have this first outfit from Stitch Fix. I don't love this top on me. I kind of just feel like it's not doing anything super flattering. I think it's making my stomach look a little bit larger and just kind of widening me in the areas that I don't want to be widened. But I do think it's really cute. It's just not the best on me. Then we have these jeans, which I don't dislike. These are the Slim Girlfriend jeans from 1822. They're definitely just too big by quite a bit, but they're comfortable and I like the wash of them. They're just too big. So both of these are going to be a no. Okay, then I threw on the red dress. I think this is cute. I just think it's a little bit young for me. I feel like this is something that I probably would have worn in high school rather than in the current state of life that I'm in. I don't think it flatters me the way that I want it to, and I don't love the color on my skin tone. So this one is also going to be a no. Lastly, for Stitch Fix, we have this jumpsuit and these sandals. I am actually pleasantly surprised by how much I like this jumpsuit. Like I was saying when I first pulled it out of the box, I don't love how jumpsuits look on me. I feel like they tend to kind of highlight this area, but I actually think this one is pretty slimming. The fabric on this is fantastic. It does have pockets, and then it does have this tie waist, but this is sewn in, so you don't have to worry about anything coming undone. In terms of the shoes, I really like them. I think they're super, super comfortable. I love anything platform. I feel like those are the most comfortable shoes to walk in, and I'm pretty excited about these. I think these two pieces are definitely things that I would consider from Stitch Fix, so I'm pretty happy. let's go into Wantable. Y'all, it is toasty in here. So first from Wantable, I put on the cut from the cloth jeans. These are just, they fit strangely. I don't know how to really put it into words. They're not the most flattering, and they have like an all button crotch, I guess. I don't know, which I don't really like because I feel like it just adds bulk here. Then we have this shirt, which from like here up I really like, but this knot is just throwing me off. I'd have to tuck it in, but even then I still don't really love how it looks. I think both of these are going to be a no. I did want to throw on this little cardigan situation. I like the style of this. I'm not going to be wearing something like this for many months. And I don't love the color on my skin tone. I think it just washes me out. So this is gonna be a no, unfortunately. Then I tried on this gray shirt with these ruched sleeves. I like the softness of the shirt, but these sleeves are just not comfortable. I don't really like how they look. It's a no for me over here. And then we have the Vagos jeans. These fit me so much better than the other brand. But they are also a all button fly. They're kind of tucked. Hopefully you can see that. That's an interesting angle. And these fit me a lot better, but lengthwise, they're just a little too short. And I know they're crop, but they're not crop enough to where it looks intentional. They just look like they're too short for me. So these are going to be a no, shirt, nah. And lastly, we have this shirt. It has kind of these bubble sleeves. This is the length that they actually fall on, so I would definitely have to pull it up, but I like that style better. It's very soft on this side. The, I don't know what kind of material this is, but it feels really nice. These, however, are not very comfortable. It's almost like a tulle fabric and just feels a little itchy, honestly. But I still really like the style, so I'm debating it. We'll see price-wise, because I do think I'd get use out of it. And from Wantable, with the exception of the earrings, it's the only thing I like. So we shall see. Okay, so that was a lot. I'm very warm, as you can probably tell by my face. I have all of the clothes right here. I have all of the pricing sheets. So let's go ahead and see price-wise what we're going to be keeping. So we're going to start with Wantable. The first thing that they have are these earrings. These are $32. Then we have the Vagos jeans. These are $78. I don't think they're worth that. Again, like I said, they just don't fit me right. The cut from the cloth, these are $94. These do not feel like $94 jeans. I definitely prefer the Vagos ones, but I don't like those either. Then we have this gray shirt from 78 and Sunny. This is $46. The black V-neck top is $58. The green faux twist top is $54. And the, what are they calling this? A coatigan, that's what they're calling this. This is $82. So I do not think I'm going to be getting any of those things. I think I'm gonna keep the earrings, but I don't think I'm going to be keeping anything else from Wantable. If I did keep everything, it would be $361.18, and that is because they do have a Keep 5 discount, so that gets you 20% off. The merchandise total is $444. I do not think it was worth that much money, especially since I'm only getting a pair of earrings and that was the only thing that I liked, but that's okay. All right, then moving on to Stitch Fix. We have the green jumpsuit. This is $58. That's not bad. Honestly, I feel like that's pretty nice for that quality of jumpsuit. Then we have the red dress. This is $48. I feel like that might be a little bit high, but it's not too far off, honestly. Quality's there, it's just not the right style for me. Then we have the 1822 jeans. These are $58. I feel like that's an okay price for jeans. I mean, quality-wise, they weren't great, and that brand just doesn't seem to fit me super well. but that's okay. And then we have the square neck blouse. This is $42. I think that's a little bit high for this, to be honest. I think this is something that I could find at like TJ Maxx or Ross for like $16.99. So I can't say that this is my favorite, but that is okay. And then the thing that I loved the most from Stitch Fix were these shoes. These are $69. Wow, that's kind of high, but I mean, I do really like them. I feel like I would get good use out of these. I don't know. I'm iffy about these. Let me know what you think, but I think these would be the only things that I would be buying from Stitch Fix. Lastly, but certainly not least, we have Drape Fit. I will start off with this romper from Calvin Klein. This is $30. I like this. I feel like it might be worth 30 bucks, so I'll definitely consider this one. Then we have the 1822 jeans from Drape Fit, and these are $39.99, $34.99. Again, that's honestly pretty cheap. You can tell that Stitch Fix is marking up their prices quite a bit since these are the exact same brand. The purple shirt, and this is $28.99. Okay, that's not bad, honestly. I feel like that's a good price for that quality of shirt. Then we have whatever the heck this is. This is $25.50. No, this is like $7.99 max. And not for me, regardless of the price. And then lastly, we do have these earrings, and these are $19.99. Pretty wide range of pricing structure. You can tell Drape Fit is definitely more inexpensive pieces, and Wantable is definitely more expensive. Stitch Fix is kind of in the middle. I also would like to give Stitch Fix some credit because this is the first box that I'm ordering through them, and I feel like they were the closest on the first try, so that is fantastic to hear. Definitely things to consider. I think there is a box for everyone. Let me know what you think the winner of this Battle of the Boxes was, and if you like this style of video, let me know because I'm happy to do it again. I feel like this was really fun. I'm just gonna do it on a cooler day because your girl is hot. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate you being here, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. In the meantime, have a killer day. Bye!